In this video I'm going to show you how you can sign up in ClickBank and start earning money with affiliate marketing. First, go to their website, which is clickbank.com, then select login. And since you're not having an account here, you can click down here on create a new account. Since I already have an account here, I'm not gonna sign up, but it is very straightforward. You need to select the country, first and last name, phone number, email address and password. Once you're sure that you filled everything correctly, you can accept the terms and conditions and select create account. And when you successfully made your account, you can go back to this website clickbank.com. You can select start here and it will ask you a few basic questions. It really doesn't matter how you're gonna answer. They are asking stuff like what do you wanna use ClickBank for? Where did you heard about ClickBank? Where are you gonna promote it? And stuff like this. Then you want to put your email here, that is the one that you're going to be using, and then click on submit. After you submitted your email, it's gonna pop this window. This is a tutorial video from ClickBank, which they're exploring how you can get started and earn $2,000 in your first 90 days. I suggest if you get started to watch this video, it's really informative, and once you finish watching it, you can continue. By the time you're watching it, you're gonna have your email confirmed. Just go to email address and confirm your email. They come back here and select login, and you can type your email and password that you have just created. This is the default page and you want to click on affiliate marketing, and now a new window will appear. Now you can start browsing for your products, which can be both physical and digital products. On the left side I'm gonna click on all products. Now it's gonna pop up a window with different categories. Let's say I'm having a channel in the fitness niche, so I'm selecting health and fitness. A new page is gonna pop up with the top commission products from top to bottom. On the right side with the blue you can see the commission that you're gonna get for selling this product, and in the middle you're gonna see the product name as well as some description. And in here there are hundreds of products that you can pick from and promote on your channel or your blog. So now I'm going a bit down in this page and I'm gonna pick one product so I can make an example how you can get an affiliate link from it. Now I see this product that is named Red Boost, and I can see that they're paying a commission of 80%, which is pretty high. So now I would like to get a link and promote it, and I will get an average of $120.61 per sale. So I click on promote and I need to put a nickname account. For that reason I'm going back to my account, I'm clicking on accounts and I select create a new nickname. Then a new window will appear and it's gonna ask you what this account is all about. I'm gonna select affiliate product and then I'm gonna create a non-existent account nickname. Then I'm selecting sign up. And now I'm having a new account with a nickname of account 472. Now I need to go back in the previous page where I found my product, and on the nickname account I'm gonna type this account 472. Then I'm gonna select create hop link, and on the bottom of that screen I'm gonna have this enchanted hop link. Next I'm gonna select copy. Now this link is copied, and now I'm going in Google and typing short link, and I'm using this free URL shorter.rb. I'm pasting the link here on the top and then I'm selecting shorter URL, and now I have successfully shortened that link. I'm copying it and I'm gonna paste it in my description, and whenever somebody is clicking on it, he's gonna be seeing this window, which is the Red Boost website where they can read more about it. And when they select buy now, they're gonna have three options. First one is for $69, which 80% is exactly $55 for me, which is 80% commission. If they buy three of them for $177, I'm gonna get $141, which is the 80% commission. And if they get the biggest pack, I'm gonna get $187, which is 80% of $234. So this is how you can sign up in ClickBank and start your affiliate marketing for free. I hope this video was useful. If that was the case, make sure you like the video, leave a comment and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.